Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful blanket with basic stitches. It's a great beginner project, and the writing pattern is available if you want to follow my color pattern. You can use any type of yarn of your choice, and the hook size recommended. I'm using Winter Glow Solid from Hobbii and a 5mm hook. And this is a number 4 medium category yarn. So, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain in multiple of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For demonstration purposes, I'm making a chain of 30. To begin row 1, at the end of the chain, add 3 more chains. 1, 2, 3, total 33 chains. Start on the 3rd chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, that's this one. Place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, double crochet into the next chain, in the next chain, double crochet, and double crochet into every chain. By the end of the row, there will be 31 stitches, and we'll be working with 31 stitches throughout the pattern. To begin row 2, 1 chain and turn, and this does not count as a stitch. We are going to crochet the first 2 stitches together. So, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 5 loops. That's a half double crochet 2 together. Again, we're going to do the same with the rest of the stitches, but we are going to yarn over, insert into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 5 loops. That's an alternated half double crochet 2 together. Again, yarn over, insert into the previous stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 5 loops. And again, repeat this all the way across, and I meet you at the end of the row. At the end of row 2, we have 1 stitch left. Place in alternative half double crochet 2 together. Then place a half double crochet into the last stitch. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. To begin row 3, 2 chains. This does not count as a stitch. And turn. In the first stitch, place a double crochet, and double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into every stitch all the way across. Row 4 is another easy round. 1 chain and turn. In the first stitch, single crochet and single crochet into every stitch all the way across. If you're changing color and it doesn't matter which row you're going to change color, after the last stitch, 1 chain, then cut yarn. To change color, turn your work, insert new working yarn into the first stitch, pull through, one chain to begin. In the first stitch, place a single crochet, skip 1, skip 2, fan stitch. So place 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 1, skip 2, single crochet, skip 1, skip 2, fan stitch. So place 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, single crochet, and repeat this all the way across. At the end of the row, after the last fan stitch, skip 2 stitches and single crochet into the last stitch. To begin row 6, 1 chain, turn. Row 6 is an easy row. Single crochet into every stitch all the way across. From here, repeat row 1 to row 6 for as many times as needed for your project. And that's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye for now.